Thank you for joining OneScreen. So in the first part of OneScreen Annotate training video, we have discussed some basic options which include how to launch the software, different styles of pen, screen recording option, and many more. In this video, we will explore a few more features of OneScreen Annotate. Alright, so like we discussed earlier, with OneScreen Annotate, not only an individual can come to the screen and start annotating. With this software, you have the ability to get multiple people on the board at the same time to increase engagement. So from the Tools section, you will notice that we have an option for multi-input, which will divide the whiteboard space in 3 different segments. Now you can easily toggle between 2 segments or 3 segments from the left bottom button. So here we have 3 different segments where you can have maybe 3 students working at the same time, writing on the whiteboard in 3 different colors. Also, in a collaborative environment, you can start writing from segment 1 and then move towards segment 2 and then segment 3, giving you the ability to have a collaborative workspace as well. And within this workspace, using the scroll bar, you can create unlimited space for you. When you want to remove these segments, simply tap on the cross button at the right bottom. Let's look at the gallery option, which is the second tab down here on the left sidebar. And you will notice we have 4 different areas over here. The first one comes pre-installed with the software that has different folders created already for different categories. So let's open up a random folder. Now from here, I can drop any image onto the whiteboarding screen using my fingers or a stylus. And then with the help of the selection tool from the toolbar, I can adjust their position. So this basically is a gallery of content included with the software that has 1,000 pieces of educational learning content. It also includes some 3D shapes that again can be easily dropped onto the whiteboarding space. Any image or object on the whiteboard can be adjusted as your background, or if you wish them to add as your favorite, simply tap on any image and from the menu, choose the option Add to Favorites, and this picture will be added to your favorite folders for future use. The second category is the favorite folder category, and these are the things or images I have previously saved because I want to use them over and over again. So if I tap on favorites, it will bring up the results that I have saved already. Now from here, again, if I want to make some changes, maybe I want to write something on the image, I can drop it onto the whiteboarding space and start writing on it. The area I love the most is the third one, which is the web search area. I can type anything I want into the search bar and it will bring the results directly from the Google search engine or whichever search engine you have configured. So for example, I want to get some pictures for a triangular area and it has shown me the results directly from the Google search engine. For example, maybe I want some pictures of the planets. Open up your keyboard, type anything into the search bar and hit search. And as you can see, we have images results directly from the Google search engine. From here on, I can drop any image onto the whiteboard and start writing on it. If you want to remove something from the image, use your image eraser to delete a certain portion. And this is the Google image search option. Here again we have few folders for student activities, so you can easily drag and drop any image onto the whiteboard and start your activity with the students. OneScreen Annotate allows you to search for any specific folder from the gallery using the Find Gallery folder option. So from the menu, go to the Edit tab and choose Find Gallery folder option. Now here, type a keyword which you wish to search for and hit Find. The software will look into the keyword and displays the first folder that contains your results, which in this case was chemistry. The next option we are going to look at is the infinite clone option. This option allows you to copy or duplicate any object or image as many times as you want. In order to do that, let me just draw a circle for you, and now I'm going to create multiple copies of this circle using infinite clone option. Select the object. From the menu, go to the object properties and check the infinite clone box. Now you will notice an infinite sign on the object. From here, I can simply drag and drop the image anywhere on the whiteboard to create a copy of this circle. If I want to add multiple images, I can again hit on the image. From the menu, set infinite clone, and then I can drag and drop one more image. And that is how you can create multiple copies of an object. One additional integration that OneScreen Annotate allows you to do is the My Script Stylus integration. So this is just a small text tool that can be easily downloaded and integrated with OneScreen Annotate. It actually has a writing pad and a virtual keyboard as well. So you can use your normal keyboard to type anything onto the whiteboard. Let's talk about page transition. These are basically the motion effects that you will observe when you are shifting to the next and previous pages. So you can add different movements to your pages as you advance from one page to another. Now there are multiple transition effects available in OneScreen Annotate, and you can choose any one of them to add to your document. For example, this is my current page. If I wish to add a transition effect to this document, I'll simply go into the properties from the left sidebar, and under the page properties section, it will give me a couple of options in which I have the ability to change background color or add a transition effect. So for now, I'm going to choose random transition effect to get a different motion effect upon each transition. Now when I shift to the previous page, you will observe a different transition effect. And that is how you can add a different transition effect or a motion effect to your document. We have seen in the first part of the training video that OneScreen Annotate can convert your handwriting into a font. But it also gives you the ability to convert your handwriting into a mathematical equation, specifically when you are teaching subjects like mathematics. Now this is easily doable. You just have to write an equation using your hands or a stylus. So from the menu, go to the tool section, and you will notice the second last option in the toolbar is the equation option. Now here I'm going to write a random equation using my hands. And as soon as I'm done, I'll tap on Insert, and the same equation will be pasted onto the whiteboard in a proper format. Another cool feature in OneScreen Annotate is that you can go to internet or any other stuff that you would like to work on and take a screenshot. So it basically allows you to capture any content on your screen. To access this option, go to the menu, Tools, Accessories, and the second last option, which is the Screen Capture option. Once you hit on it, it will open up a window with 4 different options. The first option is the desktop capture that will take a screenshot of your full screen. Second one is the tab capture. For example, you're working on a browser on multiple tabs, but you would like to take a screenshot of a specific tab. So you have the second option to do your job. third option is the drag and select option. This allows you to capture the area you drag the selection box over. And the fourth option is the freehand capture, which will allow you to capture the area surrounded by a freehand. So let's take a screenshot. I'll move on to the desktop screen. Now here I'm going to choose the first option, which is the desktop capture option, and let's see if it takes the screenshot of my background. Once I tap on it, it will take a screenshot and paste the same picture onto the whiteboarding screen. If you observe a small box, it again has multiple options regarding the screen capture. For example, first one is the timer settings. It sets the time until the capture begins. Second is the save as file. So when you select the save as file option, the captured image is saved with one of the following file extension. For example, JPG or PNG. Half size image reduces the captured image to half size. When you select continue shooting screen, capturing screen remains open after capturing the screenshot, and you can capture images continuously. When you select automatic paste, the captured image is automatically inserted into the end of the whiteboard topic. And the last one is the invert selection. Anything which is outside the selected area will be captured. And now you know how to use screen capture on OneScreen Annotate. Let's talk about topic list. Anytime you import files, for example, a PowerPoint file, a PDF file into OneScreen Annotate, it will be listed as a separate topic. You can access the topic list from the left sidebar. First, open up the Document tab. If the topic list widget is not open, click on the vertical arrows to open it up. You can also add this function to your toolbar if you want. Now here from the list, you can easily toggle back and forth between different topics. From the blue arrow, it will give me option to print my document or save it in different file formats. And these are all the pages that I have currently worked on. One advantage of using this feature is that when you open PowerPoint in OneScreen Annotate, you will get limited options such as Pen Tool, Selection Tool, and Eraser. But if you add your PowerPoint file as a topic, you will have a range of all the features. So right now I'm working on the whiteboard. These are all the contents that I've currently worked on. If I move on to the desktop side, all the annotations that I have done on my desktop screen or the browser screen that are going to be saved or listed as a separate topic. That is all from the second part of training video on OneScreen Annotate. In the third part, we are going to discuss a few more features of OneScreen Annotate. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for joining OneScreen.